Our Drive School of Motoring. Become a safe and confident driver.
Okay, speed.
You're doing a lovely speed, 70 miles an hour. Now we're looking for junction 9.
Yeah.
So we've got to get past these cars. Yeah, so it's in that. So you got about a mile and a bit. If you want to come in here, actually not really overtaking that car that much, but show yourself intention. You come in. That's it. We'll see if we get past these cars and we'll come in there maybe.
Because this is my downfall last time.
Was it?
Like not overtaking.
Oh, you didn't go all the way, did you? Yeah, you turned an old Honda. You thought you were driving, sort of aged 50 years and driving a Honda Jazz. Didn't
Yeah,
you?
it was definitely nerves. I was so scared.
That's it. Let's keep. Don't know that thing. Yeah. Right, make a decision. Let's get past him.
Okay.
That's it. We're going to come in.
Yeah.
He's got to be anyway, so that's fine. So he wants you to get all of you, though.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a nice blocker there. So that's it.
Yeah.
Don't go any faster. Slow it down. She's still got to get around here. Off the brake. Go do everything. Just let it roll. Mirror stick left. Yeah. Just let gravity take. Go to 20 miles an hour and let gravity take you in. Would you like to run a few of the in and out of the test centre so you know what to do at the end at the beginning when you feel a bit nervous?
Yeah.
Through together there. He's gone through there. We can go through. Ooh, Erin, you should have held back for that. About that far from that car. Now those cars aren't going to move there. Just watch that when you come out there. That's just you're rushing into things.
Yeah.
This is what you do when you get anxious. You rush into things. Apart from when it's on a dual carriageway.
Yeah, and then I go really.
Then ironically,
What should I do with this?
go past.
Oh, no, we can both.
Yeah.
Okay.
Second exit. Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Good.
Oh, it's a slip road.
It's a slip road.
Okay.
You like slip roads?
Love slip roads.
Yeah, to get yourself over
Yeah.
there, more visibility. You can see there's a lorry there. Looks like it's going to be a likely contender. Is that it?
Yeah, I think that's
So you get your fourth gear in there. Best time. We're only going to go one junction.
one junction.
Yes. So if you do come up close, make sure you put your distance back in. So that's it. But here, back off. No, back off.
Oh, can I go into fifth?
Yeah, go to fifth.
Yeah.
But put that distance in between you and that car. That's it. First exit. So you push it down, brake, clutch down, move it, third gear, off the clutch, easing it down, still slowing, are you okay? Now you can go, see the difference, how much time you've got? You're rushing in there, your mind's on your clutch.
I know what I need to do as well, I just need to like really...
Now this roundabout's a bit special, this is A14 West, and you take it on the left hand side, around the outside with a right signal. So you'd say, third exit right, but take it from the left lane if I was you. We're going to the A14 West, so mirror signal right, staying in this lane. Brake first, brake front right down, clutch is going down with it, ease off the clutch. Can we get ahead of those cars? Yes, we can. So you've got to get
staying in this lane.
Right signal back on if it cancels, that's it. Yeah.
I'm just going on
We've done this before. 1, 2, 6, left. So it's a bit like those two lanes. They basically, you've made the decision.
Wrong.
No, it does. That's why it's got paint and signs to tell you differently.
It's kind of scary.
First X. You've done it before.
Yeah.
So basically, all that roundabout is done is you're deciding which lane you're going to go into coming up to this roundabout. Before.
Yeah.
That's all it's doing now, okay?
I think I can...
No, you can't.
No.
chance. It's straight down here. That car's speed up.
Yeah, go quick. Okay.
Build the gas now, and then gas, build, now go. That's it. Now in this car, if you stall, you just put the clutch down and it restarts.
Okay, yeah.
Don't go switching off the engine,
Yeah.
because you will literally switch off the engine thing, you turn it on. Check mirror left. That's it. Keep the indicator on here. Go to third gear. Don't go faster than this, because you don't want to. Come off the gas. Just let it roll. As you enter the entrance here, as your fourth entrance. Yes, fourth entrance. Get rid of the engine. You can count them, like I asked. Get rid of it. Mirror signal left. Mirror signal left. Bring yourself across. Don't rush. Don't rush. You like this with everything?
Yeah. Right, what can I do?
Keep it third. Let's slow down.
Slow down.
See if we can slot in.
Yeah, I think I can go.
That's it. No more than that's it. Off the brake. Just let everything run. Mirror signal left. That juts out a little bit, that curve.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, that way there. Lovely. Second exit, follow the road.
Okay.
Now, blind switch you're moving off. Well done.
Yeah.
Right, let's go and do that lovely rural route you love so much. not good, is it?
Well, listen, I'm driving your car right now, so...
Slow down, brake, in 4th gear, you're 36. You've gone into a 30 at 36.
Oh.
That is now the 4th time today you've done that.
But you'd covered my eyes.
It's fine. Slow down, brake. Just second gear.
Second, yeah.
Slow
Sorry, no,
down.
that was very tight.
How's your sister? She might beat you to test.
God, yeah, she probably will actually. Don't say that.
Right place. So come on this side, mirror signal left, mirror signal left. Now, really slowly here. Okay, you're going to come to the brake, let gravity take you. Okay, he's going right, left, off the, don't gas, off, let gravity take you. So mirror signal, looking, I'll turn it, round, and go. You know how to do that.
Yeah.
There we go. So you don't need any gas, that's literally on the biting point. Off the brake, let gravity just swing you around, then re-engage. So when the wheels are straight, only then engage the gas and move off. Hold the horses slow until you can go. Really important. Can we go? Now you can go.
Yeah.
Whoa! Now, why do you think you're so close to that car on the left, Erin?
I was too close.
Yes. Why? Why do you think you're too close?
Because I like sped up a bit.
No, you weren't looking. Bring yourself in here a second. Now, let me demonstrate, Erin. Let me demonstrate. We're skimming too close to that car. Right, now, look over here. Put your hand up how far my hand is from the car by doing that. How far's my hand from the car? Brilliant. How far's my hand from the car? Brilliant. Look over there. How far's my hand from the car? You don't know. Why? Because you ain't looking. You can't see. So if you skim close on the left, it's purely because you were looking around there. Watch that car. That's that first hazard. Then you got the second hazard. Don't mistake the bigger hazard and forget the first hazard there. That's all it was. Anyone that skims, you can't not look. You know how far things are. It's obvious.
Yeah.
If you don't look, you've got no idea.
Okay.
Okay. So move over when you're ready. Let's go to town. So we're going to go first exit left. Please.
Okay. That was a bit better, I think.
That's very much better. First exit left.
Yeah.
Now we're having a full lesson, aren't we, before your driving test?
Yeah.
Now I tend to find these works really well. Not just turning up and going to test, because you're going to be driving for a couple of hours. Beautiful. You're going to be driving for a couple of hours, yeah?
Yeah.
Thing is, time you get to the test centre, you go, oh, for God's sake, just get on with it. Just get in the car and drive.
Yeah.
Bored of Richard and driving and all the rest of it.
Yeah.
So I think it's a really good idea, sometimes the right people to have a full lesson.
Yeah, I think it calms me down.
And the fact you haven't driven with me for a little
Some
while.
people like not even want to drive over.
No, most people don't want to drive over. Literally want to get in that 20 minutes up and down and get used to the car, set the mirrors.
No. See, I get really antsy and I'm like, no, I need to drive.
Yeah.
I just get
This is what you're doing.
Yeah.
So all that happens is in 135, someone else sits here rather than me.
Yeah.
Put it like that. Watch out, these pedals going to put that in front of you. Yeah. No reactor. Did you have a chance to check your rear view mirror before slowing down there?
I did glance.
Okay, good. My back! Erin!
Sorry.
Goodness me! Erin!
Sorry.
What bit of the speed up didn't you see across the whole of the road?
I saw it, I'm sorry.
Fall out of people very quickly. Slow down.
Oh. They are camouflage.
Slow down. They're not camouflaged. They've got hills.
I can see the other one.
There's one there as well.
Yeah, I can see the other one.
What is wrong with my students? This is
I'm
killing
sorry.
me off.
They are a bit camouflaged, really. Don't you think? See?
No! Don't slow down!
They are.
Right, here comes another one.
Okay, where are we going?
Please. Right, reverse bay park. Anyone you want, anywhere you like, either side. I don't care. I'm nice like that.
Right, I'm gonna just remember what I'm doing. Right, let's pick a line. I'm gonna go there. And I'm just gonna reverse and see.
Yeah. 3 lines off, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So line goes across your shoulders, then you turn full lock. Make sure you look around.
Yeah.
You're good at this. Now you're a little bit early because your line was a little bit behind you. So look around you there. Right, go back to full lock then. That's it. Look around you. So remember, the line is actually for you, Erin. The line would be halfway between that black bit and that black bit there.
Okay.
This is looking nice though. That's it. Go around straight like that. Don't overturn it. Erin, you're still going wrong. Oh, your wheel's not straight, are they?
Oh, sorry. Oh no.
You do 1.5 turns to get to full lock, so therefore, how many turns to get back, you reckon?
Yeah, 1.5, sorry. Ooh,
It's a cunning system.
It's skew width now.
Are you in or not? I don't know. You're just on the line you're in.
I'm quite...
Yeah, you're
I'll
quite
do
in.
that
I know
again.
you're in your side. Don't you worry about that.
Definitely.
There we go. Nice reference. Yeah.
Okay.
There we are. I think we're perfect.
Yeah, that's
Well done.
quite good.
See, people get so excited about, oh my god, if it doesn't go right, keep your composure
Yeah.
and just calmly adjust it. You're not going to be far wrong, are you? And just readjust it. And if worst comes to worst, you pick up a driver error.
Yeah. Okay.
Honestly, it's not Squid Game. It's not
No.
if you get it wrong, no one's going to come out and
Behead you.
behead, yeah, whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like, it's
Why
not
did I
like,
think of that straight away outside?
I know, it's not, just adjust it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Yeah. Can I do a parallel?
You're not in the car park, you can't.
No, but once you've
Yes,
left.
you can, you're going to do it now, yeah. Look around, signal moving out. So steer it out to about 1 o'clock. Imagine my watch is at 1 o'clock, about there. That's it, straighten it. Bring yourself out a little bit, that's it. Halfway in the road. Now turn it in, that's it. In, straighten it up, stop, brake, into reverse. You want a little bit more space to get something. Okay,
And
look
then-
around, a little bit move, 1 full turn
Which way? That one.
towards the curb. That's it, towards the curb, that's it. No, 1 full turn.
Oh, full turn.
Well, 1 full turn.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll keep it there for the moment. Space isn't the problem behind us. Okay, round to about 1 o'clock. So a little bit more. There's my watch. So 1 o'clock's about there. Now straighten it. Drive straight back, and when my door handle reaches the top of the curb, keep it going nice and slow like it is. Keep it going. When it reaches, go a bit further.
Oh.
That's it. Now full lock. That's it. Full lock round. In fact, you were probably right. Yeah, where you were fine was spot on actually. Bring it around.
This is fine, isn't it?
That's it. Yeah, it's great. And then turn it, straighten it. 1.5 turns, and straight back. Easy, isn't it? Tight turning circle on this car.
Yeah. Can I try again?
Yeah, bring it back a bit. Okay, try again now.
Okay.
You're driving well.
I'm doing okay.
No, you're driving well.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all you got to do is just. So you're driving well. The only difference is I'm going to be sat there. That is it.
Yeah.
Wow.
But then I can't ask a question.
You need to ask questions. Are you driving independently?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Right
it doesn't
now.
matter. Well, are you driving? Can you drive on your own? So
I
you're
think
driving. So
yeah.
you're now driving independently, even though I'm in the car.
Yeah, I am.
So independently does not mean I'm on my own.
Yeah.
Independently means I'm driving without the aid of someone else telling me what to do, which
Yeah.
you are doing. Would be a test otherwise, would you?
No.
Now, whether there's 1 person or 4 people in the car, you're doing the same thing. You're driving independently.
Yeah.
So when we go to test, there'll be someone from the DVS estate in the car and me in the car.
Yeah.
But you're still driving, as you are now, independently.
Yeah.
And all you've got to do for 38 minutes is basically, in a very sort of don't make someone change speed or direction because of you driving unnecessarily, or hold them up. That is it. Try not to spoil the surprise, Erin.
Okay,
Try not to spoil the surprise. Erin's just had a driving test, came back straight back from university, had a lesson before, never driven this car, never driven a petrol car before, just had a test over in Kettering, and the result is, cover your numbers, cover your numbers.
Okay. Yay!
Result, absolutely superb. We're absolutely delighted.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Really well done. You should often celebrate, I reckon.
Yeah, I will.
Brilliant.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Well done.
I'm going to tell everyone.